Hello everybody, welcome back to another Halo 2 modding tutorial, and today we're going to be talking about AI command scripts, which are the exact same thing as command lists in Halo CE, except they're not in Sapien at all. So if we were to, if this were Halo CE, I'm in Halo 2 right now, but if this were Halo CE, and we expanded the AI tab right here, there would be another folder in here called command lists, and that's basically what we're doing, except for Halo 2. So it's not in here, not in the AI tab, and basically all the command lists and stuff like that are done through scripting. So for this video, I'm going to assume you already know how to create your own scenario. You already know how to create a custom, or you already know how to create a script file for your scenario. If you don't know how, I think you can watch the Halo 2 basics, or the how to fix the black screen problem for Halo 2, or pretty much any Halo CE video, because for Halo CE and Halo 2, creating a script for your scenario is done the exact same way. So that's very easy. But before we start going into script, you're going to want to create an actual AI squad that is going to run your command script, because the name of your squad is important. So right here we got Brutes and Marines. Very simple. And we're going to get to references, not zones. Here it is. Script data, point sets, and then yeah. We're not gonna go over points for a little bit, but the points are very important, because they determine, they're basically what the AI can use. They can shoot at points, they can move to points, they can look at points, they can aim at points. It's a reference for the AI to do whatever you want. But yeah, those are the two major things. AI squads, and then point sets, which you have to go to point sets and then create a new instance, just like squad, new instance, not too hard to figure out. And then you place points. After you create your point set, you go to the points folder, then you right click, and that just places a point. Okay, so that's that. And now we'll get into scripting. So your script file should match your scenario file in your tags directory, pretty much. So data, scenario, solo, new map, whatever your map name is, scripts.hsc. And now we got all this. So we will just nuke this, and I'll just create this script from scratch, because that seems to be the best way to do everything. So I still got this here. I copied this from in one of the Halo campaign missions, just to have a reference here, so I don't have to go to the Halo 2 scripting reference every time, which I will link the Halo 2 scripting reference in this video. And if you just do Control F and then type CS underscore, that should show you pretty much all the commands you can use. I believe there's like 78 different commands. As you can see, go to, movement mode, aim, look, shoot point. There's many points, or many commands you can use. But anyway, the way you create a command script is the exact same way you create anything else. You start your new script, you type script to basically say, hey, a new script is being created. Then you specify the type of the script, which this is a new type added to Halo 2, because you can't do this in CE. You do command underscore script. That is the script type. So it's just like a startup script, a continuous script, a dormant script. It's just a new type of script that's added to the game. And then after you specify a script, what type of script, then you just give it a name. So this is going to be, we're going to do command script CS underscore Marines video. So this is basically your variable. This is whatever you want it to be named. So now we'll give it some space so we can type all our commands inside the script. And this is where you start just throwing commands in there, and this is also where your points become relevant. So this reference right here, this Marines, is this that's a no, that's a forward slash. In your scripting, when you're specifying points or you're specifying like squads in a platoon or a squad inside an encounter, you want to do forward slashes. Backslashes are for I believe inside tag test when you use the console and tag test. No, backslashes are for in tool. Yeah. So forward slashes in your script file. But yeah, so I guess we'll just throw together a script here. Actually, no, I'll just kind of copy some stuff here. At least we'll copy this first one. So we'll do CS, go to, and then this is the point. We're not referencing our actual AI squad yet. Because technically any squad can be assigned this this command script and then play all the stuff. So assigning the AI squad that will do this comes later. But now we have to worry about the points. So this says Marines /P0. So if we go back into Halo, as you can see here, the script data, point sets, we got Marines. That was the Marines, and then it has a set of points inside it. So Marines /P0. So whichever squad runs this command will go to this point. And that's that. And then we got P1, P2, which are P1 and P2 right there. So that's how you specify points. It works pretty much the exact same way as specifying a squad. Or a platoon, I guess. I haven't really tested if you can specify an individual. I don't think you can specify an individual unit. I think Halo 2 and Halo CE are the exact same way where you... Oh, shit. Whoa. Yeah, don't do that. Halo 2 and Halo CE, I believe, are the exact same way where you can't specify an individual actor. Although you might be able to. There's an actor variant name right here. I'm not sure what that's doing yet, but yeah, this is for command scripts. So... Okay, so it doesn't look like platoons are in the game anymore. But you got parents here. Oh yeah, squad groups are probably parents. Okay. Yeah, whatever. We'll get to that later. Well, not in this video, later. Anyway, where the hell was I? Why did I just derail myself like that? So yeah, you want to create your AI, you want to create your point sets, which can be shot at, moved to, jumped on, whatever. So yeah, that's how you specify points. So oh, I have two of these open. Why the hell is that? Close this guy. So here we go. CS, go to Marines, .0. Whoever's assigned this command script will play that command. But the way these work, if I were to do crouch command, CS, shit, is it just crouch like that? A crouch or a look, an aim, a shoot point. It's basically like a Boolean. You have to say true or false. So for this command script, let's see if I got the command right. Fuck, that scared me. Okay. Yeah, I got the command right. So it's CS crouch, and then you say true or false. If we were to run this command, nothing would happen. They wouldn't crouch at all, because as soon as they run the command, they just go through every single command, and then it ends the script. It just ends it completely, which reverts all of the AI assigned to it back to their default state, which is not crouching. So if you want them to crouch for a certain amount of time, then you would need to add a sleep, like 120, like here. So now, if we compile that, okay, I still got that command right. This command script, they will crouch will be turned true, so they'll start crouching, and then the command script will sleep for 120 ticks, and then after that it will terminate, and then they'll uncrouch because they'll go back to their normal position. And the same thing applies to aiming, looking, shooting, all this stuff. which is why there's all this extra like begin and then false at the end here, and then sleep until. There's a whole bunch of extra shit in here. So what this is, this command script here is basically on a loop, an endless loop of them just deciding to aim, look, and shoot at a point. And I guess for shooting specifically, you need to do aim and look. You need to have those both set to true and have them all set at the same point, and then you can do shoot point. You can just do shoot point on its own, but the AI, they're gonna be holding their weapon like they're not doing anything, and it's gonna look really, really awkward. So you need to tell them to aim and look at a point, and then you can tell them to shoot at it, and it'll look like they're actually aiming and shooting. But yeah, that's, I guess I can make a little bit more of a complex script here. So we tell them to crouch for 120 ticks. Then we can tell them to CS go to Marines /P2. So that's the point that's way like past the corner of the building and down the street a little bit. So they'll do that. And they should be crouching all the while they're doing this, because we set crouch to true here. It's like a switch. So we set crouch to true right here. Then we just sleep. And then we give this command. So they'll be moving while crouched because we never set crouch to false. But the reason why they would just uncrouch in the previous version is because this isn't here, and then it would just terminate. So there's nothing else. There's nothing left. They'll just go back to their default state. So they'll crouch. They'll wait for 120 ticks. Then they'll start moving to P2, and then once they get there, they should uncrouch. Because at that point, once they reach that point, the command script will be terminated. And you might be able to run the script again. I'm not sure. Although this is a go-to, so they'd reach it pretty quick. But they would crouch and then sleep. And then they'd just be right there, so it would terminate afterwards. But anyway, let's test this out. Oh, the final one, the one to actually make the command script run and assign the AI to it, that is CS run underscore run command script. So that's the command, CS run command script, space, then you specify the AI squad. This is where the squad name comes in handy. So we'll have the Marines do this. So our Marine squad is just named Marines. So we'll do Marines. And then we do another space. And this one right here is the command script we're running. So we get our name, our variable name for the command script we created, and just put that there. So CS run command script, the group of AI, and then which command script they're running. So this should happen on startup. Well, 120 ticks after startup because of this stuff right here. So, well, hopefully I got all that right. Yeah, the script is all compiled. So now we'll load up that scenario and tag test. And this might take a little bit because Halo 2 loves to take its time. Okay, I think we're just about in here. Yeah, whatever, Bob. Okay, what is this called? Game, what's the command here? Game, oh, you can't even see the command. I need to full screen this shit. Game underscore start. Hold on, what's the command for this? It's game start and then a bunch of other shit. Here it is. Okay, game starts, then you just do the tag directory to your scenarios. So, scenarios, backslash, oh, I need to do a space in there. Backslash, solo, new map, and then you specify the actual scenario file itself, new map. Here we go. All right. You see, there you go. They did not crouch. That's actually weird. Okay. And they moved to the wrong... Oh, wait, what? Oh, wait, did I never save the, I might not have saved the script after I compiled it, or saved the scenario after I compiled it. Whoops. Yeah, I only compiled it. That hopefully is why that did that. But clearly they did something. There we go, crouch. 120 ticks will go by. And now, since crouch is still flipped on at this point, they're gonna move while crouched to point 2, which is about halfway down here. And then as soon as they reach that point, the command script will terminate and they'll stand up. Just like that. So, hey, oh, and the brutes are still on follow from my other game.
This is not the hunter's way.
All right. Oh, so yeah, that's command scripts. It's pretty simple. It can be as easy or complex as you want. I could probably make a bit more of a complex thing here with a trigger volume. Where's this guy? Where's this trigger volume? Where's he at? Shit, do I not know how trigger volumes work? Oh, no, what the hell am I doing? That's the, oh shit, no, hold on. Hold up, okay. This guy, get rid of this guy. I'm in the AI tab. We need to be in the game data tab. Here we go, trigger, there we go, trigger volumes, okay. Yeah, there's another trigger thing. Yeah, I don't think I covered that yet. Yeah, there's triggers for AI, which are tied to trigger volumes, which are the actual game data stuff. So, let's just do the command thingy when we move into that trigger. So we're gonna need the trigger name. This is trigger underscore 01, pretty simple name. So script 01, we'll have a dormant script for this. So script dormant trigger trigger CS. And then what happens when we'll oh no, we need to do sleep until. So sleep until, and then we need to do the thing I can never remember. Trigger volume thingy. Hold on. Okay, I got the command. So it should be the exact same. Trigger 01. That should be the name. So sleep until volume test objects. Trigger 01 players. Then we need to add another one of those. And then under that, then we add the CS run. And then we need to wake. I could have all that sleep until stuff under the startup, but whatever. Wake trigger CS. I don't think I've done. Is that gonna work? Nope. Dormant. Oh. Wake trigger CS. Oh, script dormant trigger CS. Oh, that. Oh, the. God, the other one is left on. Whatever. So. Oh, we need another one right there. There we go. Okay, so yeah, with that stuff, it works the exact same as CE. So now, if we run this again. Oh shit, did I forget to save again? I guess we'll see if these guys do their thing early. Whoa,
Mind
Jesus.
pointing that somewhere else,
Okay,
Chief?
why is my volume spiked? Christ. Okay, anyway, now if we go over here, there we go, we triggered it right away. So yeah, there you go. That's command scripts. It's it just took removed command lists from the game from Sapien, and then just added a new type of command to your scripting dictionary, I guess. So yeah, again, I will link the Halo 2 scripting reference in the link of in the description for this video. And all you need to do to find all the commands that you can use is go to that link, do Control F, CS underscore, and then that should give you all the commands. Some of them are a little bit of a pain in the ass to figure out. Others are very straightforward. I haven't really messed around with like queuing up many different command scripts, but I can't imagine it's that hard. As soon as they finish one command script, it terminates and then starts the next one in the queue. If they're in the middle of a command script, then they'll just and they get assigned a new one. They might no, there's a command for them to just like cancel whatever command script they're doing and just start this new one right now. But you can look at all that stuff and find it. Remember to define your points. You got the name of your point set, and then you have the actual point itself. Oh, also there's objects. Objects right here, which I believe can be crates, creatures, sound scenery, bipeds, vehicles, items. I believe these all this stuff. I believe all of this is where you'll find the objects, because in the script reference, you'll find I think you'll find a couple repeat commands which are the exact same, but one uses a point as a reference, one of the points in a point set. It uses one of those, whereas the other one uses an object. And if you wanted to use an object, I assume you could just like place an object and then you just specify its name. That's what you would use in this place right here, if you're using an object. I assume. I haven't actually used the object yet. I just used points. But yeah. And then there are things that seem to have no effect, really. Movement mode actually does. AI movement combat actually does seem to, but there's formations, which I haven't gotten the AI to actually move in a formation at all. So yeah, but yeah, just look through all those commands, and you can basically just use dormant scripts, use triggers, use whatever you want to create the type of command scripts you want to use. So yeah, that will be it for this. If you made it here, thank you for watching. If you watch any of my other stuff, thank you for watching that as well. If you want to support the channel, you can hit the join button on the homepage or the link in the description, and I'll see you in whatever I decide to do next time. So thank you for watching.